Hi, this is Chris from HITI Software. Today we are going to see how to install HITIPanel. Before installing the software, please make sure that you install the Arduino IDE on your computer. If not, please go to the Arduino website, download the IDE and install it. Next, go to our website and download HITIPanel. Once downloaded, start the installation. Read and accept the terms of our EULA and follow the steps to complete the installation. Finally, click Finish to launch the software. To activate the software, you may either start a 30 days trial or enter a license key you purchased. In our case, we will just start a 30 days trial. This concludes this tutorial about the installation of the software.